walkies. Ooh, walkies, 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 walkies. Should we go? Should we go? Stay. Stay. Kira. Hey, stay. Come on! Come on! Come on! What better way really is there to start the morning? Out in the beautiful forests of Austria, walking the dogs. Absolutely love it. Hello my girl. Oh, come on boy. Get up here. Hey. So I've taken a break from the van building because it still hasn't passed the MOT, still waiting for the mechanics to be fixed almost 2 months later. Can you believe it? Now a lot of people will probably say, Will, are you that stupid that you've got a car that doesn't even drive? It does drive, it does work, just won't pass the MOT. So we'll see how that goes, but I thought instead of hanging around in the UK just not doing a lot, I'll come out here and see my family. Ouch. So later on today I'm off for a cycle ride with my mum and some of her friends, and then in the next few days we're going kayaking. So usually doing a couple of days of work, hard graft, a lot of building works, and then a few days like today just trying to get out and enjoy ourselves. Oh, cobwebs, bugs, everything. Look at this. Coming out here to see my family has really made me realize how much I enjoy just the simple things in life, just nature, getting outside, away from the distractions of busy London and social media and just consuming too much negativity and comparing myself to other people's lives. So it's nice just to get out here and do the basic things, see very simple living, people driving around on tractors, cutting the grass. I know it all sounds so mundane and stuff like that, but I don't know, I just enjoy the simple life. My mum wouldn't let me cycle without my helmet. Even at 25 years old, she's still trying to control my life. Anyway, we're off on a 40-kilometer cycle ride, I believe. After walking the dogs, should get some good exercise in today. So I'll take you through and show you the beautiful landscapes of Austria. God, I really look like a dickhead. Here's the old girl. Come on, girl.
Oh my God, I'm not going any faster.
Yeah, that's okay.
Put your hands on the handlebars, boy.
Nah. See, still tries to tell me what to do.
I just don't want to see you go off in front of me.
So we're coming back on this train line later, apparently. Ah, river, forest, train line, greenery, nature. Love it. Here comes the train. That's what we're coming back on later. Only 2 carriages. This is absolutely wonderful. Wonderful. Woohoo, I love it. Oh shit. I've decided to hang back to get speed for the hills. Get the legs going now. Fuck me. Oh. Put it next to your head. I tell you what a place Austria is. It really is amazing. Can really see myself living out here. Absolutely love today. Spaghetti bolognese pizza for lunch, a beer, a good 40 k's on the bike, all these local beautiful little villages. The only issue is my German. Steiermarkisch Landesbahnen Myrtlbahn. How was that? God knows what the hell that was. Anyway, stuffed after some lunch, and we're going to get the train back to our village, Tamsveg. Here's one of the local train stations. Look at this. It's amazing. Look at the colours of the buildings. Yellow. The town was in there. It was beautiful. Old classical train. Come on, Mama.
Können Sie ab Samstag oder steigen Sie früher aus?
I should help him really, but I'm too busy filming him.
Ja, dann bitte vor, ja, wenn Sie zuerst aussteigen. Ja. 24,20 ist der.
Right, just hopped off the train, cycling to the home stretch, back to the house. I am absolutely cream crackered. My legs are burning. I tell you what, cycling is completely different fitness to hiking and trekking. I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. Oh. Come kayaking, they said. It would be fun. He's absolutely pissing it down.
Oh my God, no, I think we should go.
It's bloody hailing! Look at this! Somebody Call the Coast Guard! Horrible! Hypothermia is kicking in! Everyone's panicking! The key is not to panic! Hey? I'm frozen! Didn't think I'd come to Austria and die. Yeah.
Oh, don't worry, I will. Have no fear.
Not to... Go! We made it back to land. Alive, not struck by lightning or thunder. How was that?